Hi everyone, this is Mishael Shad from Pakistan. I'm a speech language therapist and I've been following Jeff Heggie's blog and Jeff Heggie's Instagram account for like a period of about 6 months. And I was just, when I started checking out his posts and his work, so I was always into personal development and self education, and his work was totally uh, towards that. So that's why I started following and keeping up with that. And I started listening to his daily podcast strategies. So it really gives me a boost every day that I was struggling with something. And here he comes with a success strategy. And that really gave the day around. So that's how I came across Mr. Jeff Heggie. And then when he launched Momentum series course during the COVID times, and and he was marketing it, so that quite intrigued my interest, and I was like piqued to know that what's in it. So I registered, and then I texted him that I want to register. So then when I registered for the course, and after doing the first module, which was the momentum cycle. So the momentum cycle had everything that anyone needs to know about the potential leads our potential. We are capable of doing everything, and a potential leads to action, then action leads to results, and the results leads to confidence and belief, and what he says, like Tony Robbins says, like belief and certainty, and Jeff put it like confidence. So this was quite an amazing cycle, so I wanted to know what happened next. So then I sent him a text that I want to know that how to get how to gain clarity on the goals. So when I did that exercise, it really gave me it really hit me that I really need to brainstorm, that I say that I have goals, but how to achieve those goals. So then on that exercise, I came to know that what am I at, and where I want to reach. So that put me in my present and then my past situation and the future situation where I want to get. So that's how I done with the clarity thing. And then after jotting down my goals, then I want to know that what's the why behind the goals. So that was a really tough task in the module 3. So it just like I had to ask like why this goal is important to me, like 7 level deep, 7 times I had to ask myself, and man, that was really difficult task, but I came through out of it. And that's how I knew that what I really want. So that really turned me around, and I was hoping to start a blog of my own. And after doing that, it really gave me a push that I need to take an action. So that's the end of it. And still, when I'm stuck, I go back to his course, and then I refer back to all those exercises, and then I'm all acting upon it. And the outcomes are really amazing of this course. So it's for anyone who wants to take day actions in life and to just work on yourself. So amazing. It's an amazing course for anyone who just want to have a breakthrough in life. So thank you, Jeff, for setting up this course. Let's talk about the mindset shift. Mindset shift is basically you everyone has their own mindset. There is such specific mindset that everyone has, but when you are on a certain track, when you are on a clarity track that you want to achieve your goals, and someone who is already there is going to help you, that really shifts your mindset. So when you're taking actions, when you're taking little actions towards your betterment, it's really something that everyone has to develop in their life. So the self-awareness part, it after doing this course and relating to it as self-awareness, that self-awareness is something that you really have to be aware of yourself, that where you are and where you want to reach, what is your optimal potential. And these are the simple steps that I just went through and really gave me self-awareness, like to know that what are my strengths and where I need to be. So that really made me aware of my strengths and my weaknesses. So I was able to figure out that and work accordingly to reach the optimal potential that I had in myself. So clear goals. I had goals jotted down, but they were very hazy. I just like, let me just give you an example. I was like, I want to be the best TED Talk speaker in the world. That's the end goal of my life. But I was not doing small steps that will lead me towards that big goal. So this is how when I started doing that, where I am today and where I want to reach in future. but I was not taking those steps that will lead me towards the best self that I imagine myself after like 10 years from now or 5 years from now. So by doing this course, Clear Goals, it gave me an idea that I want to be online, I want to have a social presence, I want to be talking all the time if I want to be the best TED Talk speaker in the world. So that really gave me an idea. If I go online for a while and then imagine, I am very bad at going online and doing this live streaming videos. It's really deeply, I'm really anxious and I'm very nervous. I am just working on it, stepping out of my comfort zone. So this is what Clear Goals is for me, that I need to take that extra step. I need to come out of my comfort zone in order to achieve that thing. So motivation is just like taking a shower every day. So it's just like I listen to your podcast, Jeff's podcast series every day to get that shower. I appreciate her doing a good work and where I see myself that I want to be at that level sometime in future. So because there's Tony Robbins say, follow the footsteps of the people who are actually there, that where you want to reach. So that's what I'm doing. So it's just like that's the little steps that get the ball rolling and puts you on the right track. Having the circle of like-minded people and getting to know that whatever they're doing, that really gives you a boost. Oh my god, if they're doing, why can't I do it? So that really motivates me. So empowerment as such, as there is a saying that you cannot do, like people say, like a girl cannot do certain things in life, but I say that if you know within yourself that if you knew how capable you are, you'd stop worrying and start amazing yourself. That's my favorite quote, and that really empowers every individual and every girl who wants to make a mark in the world. So that's empowerment for me. And after doing this course, I was like, my visa got rejected like twice for US. So I was very depressed in the past. So but I was really in a bad shape last year because I really badly wanted to go to US. But then I said, like, why? I just started empowering myself so I can create a US in Pakistan. I can connect with people over here. And look, I am here. That's a that said that really empowered me. And I am talking to Mr. Jeff Heggie at this point in time, giving an interview. In my wildest dream, I haven't thought of that. So, guys, my name is Misha Shad. I'm a speech language therapist and a blogger. We have a website launched with like the two of my amazing colleagues. It's like the www.thenornway.com. Go check out our blogs. We post on weekly basis, and we're talking about personal development and self-education and wellness. It's a wellness forum. So whoever wants to have any content on wellness, and every week or fortnight we do our podcasts, our live shows. So do check out that and let us know your feedback. And thank you so much for watching us.